No, but ELEW, him right here.
He finna act a fool.
ELEW right here.
I am a married
He finna
man.
be fucking on all hoes.
I am a married man.
So ooh.
See this, John? I am a married man.
Black bandits.
What are you doing?
Chill.
Got it!
I gotta put this bitch on the phone. Can I get?
Hey, get this on the phone.
Yo, wait, hold on. Yo, we got this raw as hell, man.
That's a bonfire lake, man.
Bonfire lake, man. This is raw as hell, man.
Can y'all even see me?
Me and you gonna collab on the way, man. Finna go cool. That's cool, Cabo gang. We in the building, Cabo gang. You feel this camera sexy as fuck.
Hold on.
And this bitch raw, folks. How did you pay for this bitch, Eric?
Almost 6.
Like, see, I knew it like
You gotta say that's serious, bro.
I do.
Bread on that.
I gotta get
My hair look big. I look like a fucking alien.
1,000 subscribers.
That's all you need left.
I'm about to try this for the first time. Fried banana.
He needs some milk.
Baby, do it.
Who made you do what?
You.
Getting big. You're lying. Your nose is getting big.
I just got straight drink that. If you just pull over here and drink that. Alright.
Erica, she's lying. I'm trying to tell you. Erica. Tiara is lying on me.
Tiara, you made it up.
I did it. That was her.
You lying.
Take him.
So you drunk my soda.
No, that was him.
You said what?
My dad took it off.
I'm telling that you ain't got no socks on.
And she sniffed some.
And you drunk some pop. I'm about to tell on you.
No.
I'm about to tell.
You gotta be quiet.
I can't be quiet.
Twenty minutes later.
Erica! Girl, no.
Oh my God! Aaron, why did you take this stuff? What is wrong with you?
What?
Why did you take that?
Take what?
Those wheels! I seen it out. You can't be taking stuff like that. That stuff is dangerous. I'm going to call it the people so they can come and help you. The hospital's right there.
Nah, this fake blood though.
Let's not do that.
It got raspberry in this. Candy.
That's disgusting. You saying I'm crying?
No, you play hide and seek. Is it that's not play hide and seek?
How you gonna tell me?
That's not a pranker.
That was candy and I got you. It was a prank.
No, it isn't.
Mm-hmm.
No, it isn't.
I got you.
No. Why you eat that?
Because-
That is disgusting.
So you just gonna sit here and hate on me?
Well,
No.
that's what we gotta play again. Stop. You gotta play that again.
No.
No, we got to. We gotta play hide and seek again because you eat that. Don't eat that again. Don't eat that again. Never. You eat it? Don't eat that. You Not good. Don't eat it. Not a joke.
It is a joke.
No, it isn't.
It was.
No, it isn't.
It wasn't funny?
Nuh-uh. It's not funny.
Alright, my fault. My bad. Can I get a hug or something? Dang. Can I get a hug?
Your hands.
I just can I get a minute to walk on the hat cause I need a haircut. So basically if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and I mean if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button.
No, go vlog it.
Don't vlog it?
No, we
I can vlog what I want.
No, we can't edit.
Make sure you guys hit that like button, and if you Tiara, can I make my outro? I understand you didn't like the prank, but I had to do it.
No, you can't. They don't like that prank.
They don't like it?
No.
If you liked it, make sure you guys hit that like button down below. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications. Say bye and then do the thing, okay?
Bye.